Hello viewers, this is KB's accountancy class. Today I shall teach you the basic concept of accounting. You all students of accountancy first should know what is accountancy, what is accounting, what is the objectives of accounting, how accounting is made. So today is the first class. In the first class I shall teach you all this, and in the second class we shall make you the process of the accounting, how accounting is made, and so on and so forth. So today, first we start with the definition accountancy. What is accountancy? Accountancy is a subject which discusses about various aspects of accounting. Now the next question is, what is accounting? Accounting is an art or science of recording and preparing of results of all financial transactions in such a way that every institution, be they profit seeking or non-profit seeking, can be able to know the result of their financial transaction like profit or loss, surplus or deficit, financial health, etc. Transaction, there are so many transactions. Suppose I give a book to my friend. It is a transaction. And also I purchased books of rupees 10,000. This is also a transaction. But in the eye of accountancy, in the eye of accounting, the first event, that means I give a book to my friend, it is not a transaction, as because this does not involve any financial side. But in the second case, I purchased a books of rupees 10,000, means it can be measured in terms of money. So this is the transactions in the eye of the accountancy. So in the accounting, we all are associated with the financial transactions. Now we shall discuss what are the objectives of accounting. Objectives of accounting, first, to keep systematic record of the transaction. Systematic record means all the transactions which are occurred day to day, we are to write all the transactions, we are to record all the transactions in such a way that any transactions can be found out at any time we need. Number two, if we record all the transactions in a systematic way, we can easily compare the cost from time to time, year to year, profit from time to time, year to year. So there must be a systematic record, and accounting help us in recording the transaction in a systematic way. Number two, to calculate profit or loss, surplus or deficit. Institutions are of two types. First, profit seeking concern or profit seeking institution like business. Non-profit seeking concern like library, school. First, the objective of the profit seeking concern is to earn profit. Their main aim is to earn profit. But in the second case, that means non-profit seeking concern, their aim is not to earn profit. Their aim is to give service to the society. So they only wants to know their financial health or deficit or surplus. So the second objective of accounting is to calculate profit or loss, surplus or deficit. Profit or loss in case of profit seeking concern, surplus or deficit in case of non-profit seeking concern. Number three, to know exact reason for profit or loss. Suppose we made a loss, then obviously we want to know why loss is occurred. There must be some wastage, there must be some pilferage, there must be some inefficiency on the part of the management. So if we keep accounting in right way, we can easily know the exact reason for profit or loss. Number four, to ascertain the financial position or health of the institution. In order to know the financial health or financial position of the business, we have to prepare balance sheet. Without recording the transaction, without analyze the transaction, we cannot make such statement which is called balance sheet to know the financial position or financial health of the business. And number 5, to ascertain progress of the business year to year. To ascertain the progress of the business year to year. Suppose we as a businessman earn profit with the same capacity rupees 10 lakhs in a year. In the next year, we make a profit of 12 lakhs. In the third year, we make a profit of 8 lakhs. So profit decreased. So you have to know why profit has been decreased. What is the progress of the business? Is business is progressing towards improvement? So in order to know that, we have to make accounting to ascertain progress of the business, to detect and prevent the errors, fraud, wastage. If we do not keep accounting in process, if we do not able to keep transactions on record properly, then we cannot find out what is the reason of the wastage, is there any fraud or not, why profit is decreasing. So in order to know the errors, fraud and wastage, we have to know the accounting, we have to maintain the accounting so that we can detect and prevent the errors or wastage or fraud. And number 7, to provide information to various parties. So many parties there are who wants to know the profit or loss, the financial stability of the business. Creditors, bank, before giving the loan, wants to know, is the institution will be able to repay the loan? Is the institution will be able to repay the debt? So creditors will certainly wants to know that what is the financial health of the business. So from the above discussion, we found that accounting involves 3 main processes. Number 1, recording of transaction. Number 2, preparation of result. And number 3, communicating of results to all interested parties. Now, preparation of result goes through the process of number 2, 1, classifying the transaction. After recording the transaction, we have to classify the transaction. What is the classification? Classification means the process of grouping the transaction of one nature. There are so many transactions. We have to find out the transaction with same nature of in one place in a separate account. It is, we will know later, it is called ledger. And number 2, summarizing the transaction in the form of trading and profit and loss account, balance sheet, etc. Summarize means we have to prepare trading and profit and loss account in order to know profit or loss, and balance sheet to know the financial health, to financial position of the business. So in the next class, we shall know how we will record the transaction, how we will prepare the result. In the next class, we should know journal, ledger. That is the practice. That will be the practical classes. You all eager to know how journal is made. What will be the entry of every transactions. In the next class, I will teach you the same. Today, this is the basic concept of accounting, and this is my last speech for this unit, concept of accounting. Thank you.